Hello everyone and welcome back. Earlier today my dad was out here in the workshop. This is the first time he's been back since the last video. Oh it is. I was reading about that. Water base is stronger than oil base.
See, this is about the size of my chair up now.
Oh yes.
So if I'm just out of 24, but I mean, from on it, you sit here in the stove, I want to be able to sit here and then I can reach the magazine in the pot, roll and screw it.
Oh, to get the curve?
Yeah. And just sit down and the edge. Try to pick it out so that the curve is in and not. Or
I mean, everything can just stay up there because that's where it stays. I do want to do a video one time. You've told me where all that stuff has come from on that, like right next to your wood stove, up in the workshop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you told me where everything came from, but I'd like to turn the camera on so I can remember. I don't know. You told me this came from here.
There's a most precious thing. There's an old pan.
Oh, that's right, from when you went hunting. Yeah.
That is, over 100 years old.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Because I found that the water come over and the pile of rocks. Don't you do your tractors? I already got the heater on it, or?
I didn't this time. If it was going to get to 20 below, there's one of them things that circulates the water.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, I didn't have it plugged in this year. So,
you ever remember all your cars you didn't have your cars? You always had plug-in heater.
Yeah, I had to plug my diesel in now, and yeah, you don't hear it on other cars. I got a hold of that guy down there and said, does it have a plug-in? Because it's a southern one. He goes, no. So then I looked it up online, and all of them, diesels have the plug-in, but if it's sold in itself, it doesn't have the cord. So
is that right?
The cord for $12, it'll be here next week.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah, because I mean, I don't, I wouldn't want to go without that because it's, I mean, it'll still start at 10 or 15 below, but it's hard on it,
It's easier on the engine now.
Right.
On here, and then I take that one, because I had a pair just for carving, but I don't know. Then I just slip it here for padding.
Oh, yeah.
Because when you're...
Oh, sure, because you're pushing on there, yeah.
You're doing this year.
Right.
And that's all I used to do is either here or...
While he was out here working in the workshop, I got on the tractor and I had to move a bunch of snow back here because I'm going to have to cut firewood coming up pretty quick, some of that slab wood, because I'm going to be leaving for Louisiana within a couple of weeks, and I'll only be down there a couple of weeks tops, but I want to make sure that there's plenty of firewood for him for when he comes up here. And I also kind of wanted, there'll just be like 1 or 2 more coats of finish on the birdhouse and then that project is done. And with this new project that he's got started here, he's going to be making, a table that will sit next to the chair that he always sits in, which when you're looking at the folks' cabin, anytime we're up there, it's the chair that he sits in, which is just to the left of the wood stove.
Because once something's over, you couldn't. You try right in there to feel it up,
Right. And one thing that he incorporates into a lot of the tables is using deer antlers. And he asked me if I had any, and I don't have any that he can cut up to use for projects. So I thought I was just going to put it out there in a video. Does anybody have any old antlers laying around that they don't use? They don't have to be a full set. It could just be one side. It doesn't matter. I'm going to look like on Marketplace and see if I can come up with anything, but he wants to build this table, and then I think he's going to do the buckskin middle like he does, but he might want to put antlers up there and attach it to that, or he was talking about stuff, just ideas going through his head right now. But if anybody does, contact me. At the end of this video, I'll actually put up the P.O. box, and also you can always go to the channel here and contact me through my email. And we'll just see, maybe I can come up with something for Dad. I don't know. The ones that I have are, like I said, are nothing that I would allow to get cut up and put into a project. Just let me know if you have any ideas of where I can get some antlers for him. He uses them a lot in his projects. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. This project is almost done. And this one has just started. I had to get that snow moved today because we have another system coming in tonight. Could be anywhere from 2 to 6 inches. And right now there's maybe 12 on the ground, and it's a lot easier to move 12 inches right now than come in here and be trying to move 1.5 feet with the tractor. It's just easier to come back in later and move another 6. And I just have to keep it open over to those tarps right there where the slab wood is covered underneath. And then I pushed a trail back to the snowmobile trailer because I'm going to need that to get the snowmobile up to the tent for this year's winter trip. I will see you guys on the next video. That weather's about to get nasty.